Unong mi khamad ka Raja Bala, u Doktor KHASI hine kasngi ulawat jingtip halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka Treikam jong ka Rajpur Bhajbari Veterinary Sub Center da ka bapan jingshai la ka Treikam Pura ne em nakaliang usembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tinsong ubala jubab nak benta menteri katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Hek ula pentip bakani ka Sub Center ka Treikam Hinrei kampat Treikam Pura namarba ka dontang arngut ki Nongtrei but ula benrap ru ba amdan ki Nongtrei ba man kapor ne ki Doktor ba Pura bat ka Sub Center kala ban ai jing syakri tang ya ki jingpang ki ba melumala ka jing ai tika bat ka jing syakri ban te lakam ya ki jingpang nalor kata amdan ki wei pat ki kam balamang na ka benta ka Veterinary.
I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that, considering the fact that this dispensary caters to a very large area with livestock farming and it is very important for that area. So can I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that it will be fully functional soon and the staff will be sanctioned and provided at the earliest?
Sir, the process is on. As I've already replied, the department is working out, and wherever not only this particular sub-center, we have quite a number of sub-centers where there is no permanent sanction post. So therefore, department concerned is moving these issues very fast, and once the sanction is accorded, I'm very sure we will be able to make it fully functional.